Verify the following description with the help of the world map on a globe in the school. While describing the location of a place, we need to consider only one parallel and one meridian. For an example, Delhi is located at 28 degrees 36 minutes 50 seconds north latitude and 77 degree 12 minutes 3 seconds east longitude. For describing the extent of a region, we need to consider two parallels and two meridians at the extreme ends of the region. For example, the extent of Australia is described as 10 degree 30 minutes south to 43 degree 39 minutes south latitude and 113 degree east to 153 degree east longitude. For describing the extent of a linear feature like roads, rivers, etc., we need to consider the latitude and longitude of their terminal points, that is endpoints. For an example, see here the river Nile in Africa originates in Lake Victoria, flow north and meet the Mediterranean Sea near the city of Alexandria in Egypt. The location of Lake Victoria is 0 degree 45 minutes 21 seconds south latitude and 33 degree 26 minutes 18 seconds east longitude. Similarly, the location of Alexandria is 31 degree 12 minutes north latitude and 29 degrees 55 minutes 07 degree east longitude. These latitudes and longitudes are considered to describe the extent of the river Nile. This extent is from 0 degree 45 minutes south latitude and 33 degree 26 minutes east longitude. Its origin, from here it begins, to 31 degree 12 minutes north latitude and 29 degree 55 minutes east longitude up to the mouth. Now, students, let us use the graticules. Answer the following questions with the help of the figure given here. Which latitude and longitude defines the location of the capital of Brazil, Brasilia? The answer is 73 degrees 59 minutes west to 34 degree 47 minutes west. Longitude would be the longitude and latitude define the location of the capital of Brazil, Brasilia. The next question, what would be the longitudinal extent of Brazil spreads from 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south latitude? The answer is 78 degree 63 minutes west to 35 degree 47 minutes west longitude would be the longitude that extends of Brazil that spreads from 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south latitude. Let us move to the next question. In which hemisphere does Brazil extends in north-south direction? Answer: Brazil extends in the north and the southern hemisphere in the north-south direction. Let us see to the next question. In which hemisphere does the Brazil extends in east-west direction? The answer is Brazil extends in the west hemisphere in the east-west direction. The next question, which parallels and meridians should be used to describe the extent of river San Francisco? The answer to this question is from 21 degree south parallel and 47 degree 30 minutes west meridian to 7 degrees 30 minutes south parallel and 36 degree 30 minutes west meridian should be used to describe the extent of the river San Francisco. The next question, describe the location of Marazzo Island using the graticule. Answer to this question, the location of Marazzo Island using the graticule can be described as follows. 0 degree 4 minutes north parallel and 51 degree west meridians.